Alright, well hi guys, welcome, it's Stuart. We are early morning back on the Reno site. Now I'm in the same room as yesterday when I left the wardrobe people. So here's the finished product. They've put a massive double robe into this room. There was one originally, but it was an old one. So now I've put a new one back in. Quoted for the same price as a modular system or similar, but delivered and installed perfectly to the measurements we needed. Now a couple of things, this one has one mirror on it and one plane. Two mirrors is very 80s, as I've learnt, and even mirrors on wardrobes are very 80s as well. However, we've put them in this room and in another room because there's no other place for full-length mirrors in this house, and clearly, particularly the lady of the house will want to dress in front of a mirror. Now there's little bits and pieces, and I want to talk to you in this video about communication. Now unfortunately, some communication with the painters went awry. These rooms were meant to be completely painted and finished. As you can tell, I don't know if you can see around the skirts here, it's sort of like not even the cutting in's been done, the ceiling has been done, which is good. But these wardrobe walls are meant to be completely painted so that nothing was required to be done. However, due to the painter's own challenges, these wardrobes are in, and now they're going to have to paint around the whole thing. So I'm a little bit annoyed in that I don't want them to put paint where it shouldn't be, but they're going to have to cut in all around the wardrobe, in the wardrobe and inside the carcass, and paint out the walls. It's going to be more time, effort for them, but it's not going to be more money for me because it's their issue. We communicated very clearly, gave them plenty of time. But anyway, it's like life, everything comes down to communication. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.